kilometers per hour. So that's how fast they can dive down. Of course, a normal bird, if they will going to do 300 kilometers per hour diving, so their lungs will going to explode because of the air pressure. So a very good example is that if you're going to drive your car 140 kilometers per hour or 120, and if you're going to put your head outside the window, for us, it's very hard to breathe already because of the air pressure. But for them, they can still, normally they will going to hide their food on the mountains or on the trees. And of course, this barn owl can be found here in the UAE. Owls, of course, they are nocturnal animals, so which means that you're going to see this bird most likely in the night time. So of course, they can see in the broad daylight. They can still see in the broad daylight. So that's why they are also known as the nocturnal. This one is commonly found in the northern Africa and in the Arabian Peninsula. So of course, the bigger they are, the more big their prey is. So most likely, their prey is more big rodent. In area, you're going to see this kind of a bird. So of course, in general, the owl is known as a silent hunter. So they can fly silently. You cannot hear wider, and still they will still going to use a stone as a hammer for them to be able to crack or open an ostrich. Siyang vulture cracking. this is our golden eagle. So of course, one of the biggest raptor you're going to see in the wild. So that's why they are also known, or they are known as the golden eagle, because their colors from their head, the feathers from their head down to their nape, they have a light golden color. And of course, their feather colors are, of course, like a golden color. Wolf of the sky, because if you're going to see them, or a pack, or a wolf, just like a wolf, when they are hunting. So they are hunting together, they're helping each other for them to be able to have a high chance of hunting. So of course they are in the desert area also as well. So of course in the desert area there is no tall trees to perch on. So what they're going to do is that they will look for a high cactus and use that for them to be able